So you already know what? You already know that you need to do something. You know that you know in your knower that you need to do something. You know that you need to have another source of income coming into your home. You know it. You know that if you have been let go from your employer, you know that there's a chance that it may take a long time before you find another role. You know. So you know that you need to make some money. You know that you do. You know that you need to take things into your own hands and make some money. I'm not saying doing it outside of your faith. I'm saying that you know that you know that you know that you need to do something. I was in the same predicament. My position was eliminated in November of 2023. Prior to it being eliminated, I had that feeling, that knowing in my knower that I needed to do something. And so I had signed up for a master class. I was in a master class for something that I know that I'm going to do in my future. I just wanted to take some training and be around people who do what I know that I'm going to do. And so when my position was eliminated, I was still in that master class. And then I decided to become a certified life coach because that goes along with my long-term goals. Well, things have really changed a lot for me since November of 2023. I still have not found a permanent full-time role in the field that I was working in or in any other fields that I can work in. I have a very diverse resume and your girl can do a lot of things. But I have not found anything. Come on, I'm over 50. I'm a Black female. We have this new administration. And even if we didn't have this administration, it still may have been as difficult as it is to find another role because in November of 2023, we had our old administration and I still had a hard time finding something. So I'm Coach TamaraDarice. It's a pleasure to meet you. What I had to do, because I knew that I had to do something, just like you already know. That's what I wrote down. You already know. You already know. And so I partnered with Digital Profits U and I purchased a digital marketing course. Yep, I purchased a digital marketing course. I didn't have a job. I made a way to pay for it. I got the course and I started my business. Well, that was in September of 2024. And so what happened was the entire digital marketing course has been added to. It has been upgraded. So not only do you get a digital marketing course that you can learn from and earn from, but now it's pretty much done for you. So you can have it set up in a weekend. In a weekend, meaning 2 to 3 days it'll take you to get it set up. You might not be someone that has the time to do it on the weekend. You might be somebody who might want to do it, a few nights out of the week, but it'll take you 2 to 3 days to set it up. It's set up in a weekend because it's just about 100% just about done for you. You can't beat that anywhere. But the most beautiful thing about this digital marketing course is that you get Digital Profits U. What is Digital Profits U, you might be asking? Digital Profits U is a mentorship community. So once a week we get together. with my now mentor, who I purchased the course from, and she has a program. It's called Digital Profits U. Digital Profits U is amazing. What's so amazing about Digital Profits U is that it's not overpopulated, it's not overcrowded, it's not 1,000 people in there trying to get their questions answered. It is right now a smaller community. It is growing. It's growing weekly. It is growing. But what's so beautiful about this community, it's almost like you're in a master class, because the level of training that we're getting that is focused around building a business in digital marketing. It's teaching you how to sell the digital marketing course. It's teaching you how you can start a business with the components of what's inside of the digital marketing course. There's so many things that you could do with the digital marketing course alone. If you don't want to sell the course, there's so many things within the course that you could build and create a business or businesses out of. These businesses can replace your 9 to 5. Selling the course can replace your 9 to 5. It all depends on what you believe you can do. It all depends on your confidence level. It all depends on your consistency. It all depends on the content that you create. It all depends on, your business mindset, your organization. And these are all the things that we talk about in the community on a weekly basis. On top of that, what you're going to get is you're going to get a one-on-one business strategy call with me. The reason why I decided to do a business strategy call is because when I was first introduced to social media and first introduced to starting 2 businesses, right back to back to back, there were so many things that I didn't know. And don't get me wrong, you can learn everything that you need to know about digital marketing, social media through the course. But I needed help. I needed direction. I needed help with what was my niche and who is my audience, who is my person, or what could I do with the skill set that I have. I have over 20 years experience in employee benefits and in human resources. What could I do with the skills that I have? Like, what burns me to my core? Like, what makes me just want to just like say, stop, you're doing it. Let me help you. What gets my blood boiling in a good way, that it doesn't feel like work, but it just feels like I'm really, really, really helping someone. So in the business strategy coaching session that you'll have with me, it's rapid fire, it's quick, and you will get some things to make you think and say, oh, I didn't think about that. I didn't think about, I could start something doing this or doing that. That is something that you will definitely get from me, because that is an area where I am anointed in. I'll say it, put it like that. But that is an area where I flow freely in. And so you'll get that, and then you'll be able to start your business, selling the course or starting an entirely different business or doing both. And so I've called my what I'm selling is called Transform 180 with Digital Product Marketing and Digital Profits U. Digital Profits U, I'm telling you, it is amazing. It is amazing, and you can get it set up in the time span of a weekend. Plus you'll have access to me. You'll have access to the community. We want to make sure that this new business venture for you We want to do it with you. We want to be there with you. We want to help you to build your business. We're not just out here trying to sell something and push you on to go ahead on and figure it all out yourself. We are a community, and we work to help one another. When I tell you, the weekly Digital Profits U community calls are on fire. They are on fire. And if you can't make the meeting, it'll be saved in the portal, where you'll be able to go and look at it at your leisure. But so the course, the actual digital marketing course, it's $500. It comes with, like I was saying, the weekly community. It's like it's like mentorship that is included in it. The price of it is, it's a one-time price of $500. Then you'll get the one-on-one the business strategy coaching power session with me. And there'll be some things that I'll do later on down the pike as it relates to my business. So anyone that is a part of purchasing from me, you will always be invited to whatever I do, but you'll always have Digital Profits U, because we want to do business with you. So I'm Coach TamaraDarice. Listen, the link is in my, it's here down in the description. It's Transform 180 with Digital Product Marketing. Go on over. If you want more information, go over to my site. It's just going to ask you for your name, your email address, and then it's going to take you to another screen with a lot of more information. But if you have any questions, I am here to help you, because I needed help. And thankfully I had the weekly community sessions. But I needed help because I started a coaching business. I needed a lot of help. And so I'm here to help you. I am here to help you because I know how it is, and I want to see you win. I want to see you soar, and I want to see you have that second source of income coming in, because this job market out here, we've got to do what we've got to do for us, for our homes, for our households. So I am here to work with you. Again, I'm Coach TamaraDarice. You'll find the link here. Go ahead on and check everything out. If you have any questions, no questions too big, no question is too small. Go ahead on and ask me, and I will have an answer for you. All right. Blessings.